Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the Apple Hikawa Phone Grip and Stand for MagSafe collaboration. This was actually released on Apple's website in limited edition, and it's to celebrate 40 years of accessibility at Apple. Just like a week or so ago, Apple introduced the iPhone Pocket with a designer. It sold out quickly. This is the same thing. This was offered in two colors, chartreuse and crater. This is the crater option, and it's $69.95. So let's go ahead and open it up. It shipped just like this. We'll take it out of the plastic bag. There we go. I haven't opened it just yet. And you can see here, it says Hikawa Phone Grip and Stand. On the side, it says designed to support mobility, dexterity, and adaptive hand control. On the back, it says works with MagSafe, compatible cases, and designed to make gripping your phone easier. It says snap on and off, remove to charge, stand horizontally or stand vertically. Now, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. So it looks like that's what we get in the box, nothing else. And it was available directly from Apple on their website, and it sold out pretty quickly, just like we had with the iPhone Pocket, same sort of situation. However, this is more of a limited edition, but an accessibility device. So as you can see, it's more of a rubberized sort of phone grip, very grippy material. You can see it has MagSafe on the back with a hollow design, and it is a little bit flexible. So this shows you can sort of push in right here. It's flexible and would make this very easy to hold on to the phone. Now, before we try it out with the phone, according to Hikawa, it says it was designed with direct input from individuals with disabilities affecting muscle strength, dexterity, and hand control. The ergonomic grip was designed with accessibility in mind from the ground up. It also said the Hikawa Phone Grip and Stand is a MagSafe compatible adaptive accessory for iPhone designed by Bailey Hikawa to celebrate the 40th anniversary of accessibility at Apple. Now I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max here, so we'll just stick it onto the back. Looks like it holds on pretty tightly, so you could shake it off if you're not careful, but it holds on just like any other MagSafe accessory, and you can hold it like this, place a finger through, hold on to it. It definitely makes it easier to hold on to if you're trying to hold maybe the back of the phone and it's slipping around. You, of course, can use it as a stand just like that, and I guess you could rotate this as well for horizontal use, but you could also just lay it like this horizontally. So if you lay it down, it would hold that just fine. So it definitely feels very grippy, very well attached, however quite expensive, but it is a designer device that also goes along with accessibility. The material does feel very soft, mostly like silicon, or silicone rather, and feels like it will hold up pretty well. There is a little bit of texture here as well, so if we go in close, I can feel these little bumps in here. So not around the outside of it, but just at this top point here, like they're molded into the silicone. So the Hikawa Phone Grip and Stand is sold out, like I mentioned. Now, maybe because they've sold out so quickly and it could benefit those with accessibility needs, maybe they'll offer it on their website again. You'll see it here, but if I scroll down, both models are sold out and it says Apple Store pickup is currently unavailable. So you can see that for both colors here if you want either one. So hopefully they'll make more if they seem to be very useful for those that have accessibility needs or just need to hang on to their phone a little bit better. You've got multiple ways to do that, and it seems like it would make it very easy to hang on to, even if you couldn't hang on to a slippery phone. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Of course, I'll link this wallpaper in the description like I normally do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.